The GVM Conical Optical Snoot Kit turns a standard Bowens mount light into a tight, controllable spotlight that is far more concentrated than a bare head. Its optical design, with a roughly 40-degree projection lens, gives crisp, punchy illumination that holds up well even on powerful studio and video fixtures. Adjustable focus lets you smoothly shift from a soft, hazy pool of light to a sharply defined projection, which is ideal for dramatic portrait and product work. The generous set of metal pattern inserts and built-in cutters allows you to shape beams into windows, foliage, and other textured effects without needing extra grip gear. Included color filters in several vivid hues make it easy to add stylized accents or colored backgrounds directly in camera instead of relying on post-processing. Overall, build quality is solid for frequent studio use, and the integrated cooling with fan support helps the Snoot cope with high wattage, continuous light safely.